Today we're going to discuss choosing a topic for your next narrative piece. This piece that we are writing is called a small moment story. The reason we call it this is because this story talks about a teeny tiny piece of time within a bigger moment. For example, you might want to write about your trip to the beach. You don't want to write in a small moment story many different activities. You only want to focus on one. So, if you go to the beach and one day you go mini golfing, another day you go to find seashells, another day you go boogie boarding, another day you build a sandcastle, you only want to write about one of those activities because you're picking a small moment. One way that I like to think about small moments is by looking at pictures. Now, have you ever heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? Well, it's true. I like to start thinking about small moments and getting ideas by looking at pictures. Maybe your parents or your grandparents have pictures on their phone or pictures in a photo album, or maybe you have pictures around your house that you can look at to remind you of some small moments. So let's take a look at how I am picking my small moment, and then you're going to do the same thing. A good thing to have out is your important people and places poster along with your heart map. This will help also give you ideas of small moments in case you don't have a picture. You don't need to use pictures, but it's one way that helps me to think. Okay, so here's the first two pictures. One of these is a picture of a trip that I took really far away in a place called Ireland, and then the other picture is a picture of a beach, and we went to watch the sunrise. This is a picture of me performing in a show, and this is a picture of a koala bear because I got to hold one time. Here's a picture of a volcano that I got to climb. And here's a picture of sunflowers that I went and picked at Burnside Farms right here in Virginia. Here's a picture of my little cousin. One day I got to dye her hair and it was pretty awesome. And this last picture is a picture of a funnel cake. Have you ever eaten a funnel cake? I usually get them when I go to the fair or to an amusement park, but I actually got to make one in my own house and it was pretty cool. So these are just a few pictures of small moments that I got to experience. I could write about any of these moments, but right now we're just thinking of brainstorming topics. So I took all of my pictures and I've created a list of small moments. After this video, I want you to stop and think of small moments that you have experienced. These small moments don't need to be anything major. They could be about a trip to the grocery store. They could be about the day that you moved to your new house. Your small moments are special to you. So think. What are some moments that I think I could write about? Remember, if you don't have pictures, that's okay. You can just brainstorm a list. But if you do have pictures, they might help to inspire you to write about something you wouldn't have thought of otherwise. Good luck thinking of your small moment topics, and I can't wait to see the list that you have come up with.